Hello students, in the today's class we continue the sixth chapter, squares and square roots, exercise 6.4, fifth problem. In the fifth problem, find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. So we'll see the solution. What we have to do, I'll just write the solution and explain. So first step here, this is the problem given. So first we have to just find out the usual method of finding the square root. So I took the number here and started directly. So what is 2 into 2? The nearest square of the number is 4. So 2 2's are 4. Then add these two. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then the remainder 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring these to first step is to pair this. So we have two pairs, this one pair and this pair. Then find the nearest square number, that is 2 into 2 4. So write here 2 into 2 4. Remainder is 1. Add these two, write 4. Next we have 25. Bring down 25. Next we see in the 4 table which is the nearest number, that is 4 3's are 12 is there. For this, so if we take 12, the number will become more. So we'll go back and decrease the number by 1, that is 4 into 2 will be 8. Therefore what we do, 4 2 into 2 is equal to, we'll get 84. So we'll write 84 here. So minus this. So write 2's are 42 into 2. So now minus this, how much we get? 125 minus 84 will become 41. So this is the first step. So this is the regular find how to find the square root. These are the steps. So after this we have to see what is 22 square. So I'll write here the next step 1. After this step 2, what is this? Down here this is step 1. So next step here, step 2, see which is the number we have got here. 22 into 22, what happens? 22 we get 484. So since this 484 is less than the given number, this 425, see here I'll write 484 is less than 5. We have to go to the next number. What is the next number? Next number is 23. So 23 into 23 equal to how much? That is 529. So 529. We have to go to the number which is more than this number, the given number or the given problem. So we increase the number by 1, and 23 into 23 we are getting 529, which is a perfect square. So this we have to select the next perfect square. Next perfect square. So after this step we got this. What we have to do now, this one becomes, that is 529 will become greater than 525. Therefore what is the next step means the number added, how much we have to add to the number. We have to write number to be added to become a perfect square. So what we write, that is the number we took, this one, that is the perfect square, minus the number we have, the number given in the problem, that is 425 is equal to 4 we get, minus these two, we'll get 4. Therefore finally we have, that is 425 plus 4 will become the perfect square, 429. Therefore finally we have to write, therefore the perfect square obtained is how much? That is 425 plus 4 is equal to that is 429, which we can write as, here I'll write, that is square root of 529 is equal to 25. This is the solution. So go step by step, we'll get correctly. So one more next problem we'll solve, then you will get the correct idea. So what is the first step? As we have to find out the square root steps. So the nearest number, that is 4 into 4 is equal to square number is 16. 4 4s are 16. Remainder 1. So first pair these two number. Then find the nearest square of the number. That is 4 into 4 is 16. So the remainder is 1. Then add these two. 4 plus 4, 8. Then bring down this number 150. So now find out the nearest number in the 8th table. So what is the nearest number in the 8th table means we'll take 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2 we can't take because it will become more than this one. Therefore we'll take 81 into 1 is equal to 81. So 1s are 81, 1s are. What is 81 1s are? 81. Then minus this 155, 81 will get 69. So after getting this, find out, that is the number is, that is square this and see. 41 into 41, how much we get? That is 451 we get. Therefore see here, the number what we got, the number 451 is less than the given number 1750. So what happens? We'll move on to the next number, that is 42 into 42 will become how much? 1764. So now what happens? This is also perfect square, this is perfect square, but this number should be more less than this number. So we now got is 1764, which is greater than 1750. Finally what we have to do, that is we have to take this number 164 minus the number given in the problem is equal to minus this. How much we get? 14. 14 we are getting. Therefore 14 should be added to, that is the number given in the problem 1750 plus 14, which becomes 1764, to be perfect square. So therefore we got this, the 1764 is equal to 42. So this is the solution. See, I have explained one by one. Consider to the previous problem, this is clear. So steps you can write in your own words. Here I have not written any step, only one final statement I have written. That's all. So this is the solution for the second problem. We move on to that is third problem. Third problem given is a 3-digit number, that is 252. So we'll see how to solve this one. Start here. 252. So first we'll take the nearest number, that is 1 into 1, nearest square of the number 1 into 1, nearest perfect square. So 1 1s are 1. Then how much? Remainder 1. First pair this number, we got 2 pairs, and find the nearest square root, that is 1 into 1 1, 1 1s are, then remainder is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, bring 152 down. Then next step is we'll find out, that is 2 into the nearest number to this 15 is 2 5s are is equal to 10. Therefore 2 5 into 5 will become 125. So here for 25, then here 5s are. Therefore how much we get? Therefore write 1 2 5 here, and remainder is 27. So what we got? This is the procedure. Next, what we 15 into 15, how much we get? 15 into 15 will get, that is 225 will get. Since this is less than the given number in the problem, we have to take the next number, that is 16 into 16. How much? It is 256. So 256 is greater than the given number. See here, first see this one, 15 we got 225, so the number in the problem is greater, but now the number we have taken is greater than this 252. So this should be the correct procedure. So now we will take the 15, instead of 15 we have to take 16. So next step is minus and see, that is 256 minus 252 will become 4. So what we write, that is how much? 4 should be added. Therefore I'll write 4 should be added to, that is 252 plus 4 is equal to 256 to be perfect square. Finally what we write, that is square root of 256 is equal to, that is 16 is the correct answer. So this is the solution for this one. Next one is 1825. 1825 will start the problem, that is 4-digit number 1825. Pair these numbers, here we get 2 pairs. So find the nearest square root. What is the nearest square root? We'll take 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So 4 is 16. Then what is the remainder? 2 is the remainder. Bring 2 5 down. Then here 4 plus 4 we had 8. Next step is find the nearest number in the 8th table. So we'll get 8 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 we can't take, because 8 into 3 we can't take, because it is more than this one. So we'll take 8 into 2 we'll get 16. Therefore 8 into 2 into 2 we'll take, that is 164. So now place it here, 164. Here how much? 2. 82 into 2 is next step, minus this 2 we get 95. So we the number given is 1825. 42 into 42. So check out what is 42 into 42. 42 into 42, how much I get? 1764. So now this is, see, we'll see this, the given problem is more than the number we are getting, that is 42 into 42. Therefore what we have to do, that is this one, 164 is greater than 1825. So now we have to take the next number, 43 into 43. So what is 43 into 43? We get 1849. So now this is correct. The number we got is greater than the number given in the problem. So this is the correct solution. Finally, next step what we have to write, 1849 minus 1825. Minus this we get 24 as the answer. So finally what we have to write, therefore that is 24 should be added, 24 should be added to how much? That is 1825 plus 24, which is equal to 1849 to be perfect square. Okay, next step is, last step, what we have to write, that is square root of 1849 equal to, that is 43. So 24 we added, see, to this number 24 we added, then this is the 43 is the answer. So we move on to the next, that is the fifth one. Here the number is a 4-digit number, that is 6412. So here we'll start the problem. Take the problem, that is 6412. Therefore, here the first step, pair the numbers. We have 1, 2, 6, 4. Therefore, find the nearest square root of the number. So directly we have 8 into 8. Therefore, 8 into 8 is equal to 64. The nearest perfect square. So 8 into 8, 64. Substitute here. Then minus we get. Then add this, we get 16. Bring down 12. Now this number we have to just write 0 here. That's all. Here 0 you had, here 0 we had. So here also 0. So now what we have to do, we have to check out. So what is 80 into 80? 80 into 80, how much we get? That is 6400 we are getting. So the number here is more than this. Therefore we have to move on to next. That is 81 into 81. So 81 into 81 will become how much? 6561. So what we should do? That is 6561 minus 64, the given number in the problem, we get 149. So finally what is the solution we can write? That is 6412 plus 149. Therefore 149 should be added to 6412 to be perfect square. This is the solution. Finally we have to write that is square root of, here only I have written, so 6561 is equal to 81 to be a perfect square. So this completes the fifth problem. We move on to the sixth problem. Find the length of the side of a square where area is 441 m square. Find the length of the side of a square where area is 441 m square. So directly we'll start the solution. Solution is, that is area of the square equal to 441 m square. Therefore length of the side of the square, how much, is equal to square root of 441 m. Therefore we have to take this, that is 441, and start finding the square root. That is find the nearest square number, that is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. Then remainder is 0. Add these two, that is 4. Next is bring this, pair these numbers, that is 2 pairs we have. Take this number, this is two digits, this is 1 digit, and nearest square 2 into 2 is 4. 4 substitute, minus this, we get 0. Add this, write 4 here. Bring 41 down. Then nearest number, that is 40. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. Then 41 into 1 will become 41. So we'll take this one. Then 1s are, then 41 we get. So minus we get. This is a perfect square. Therefore square root of 441 is equal to 21. Hence we write, hence the length of the side of the square is 21m. Okay, this is the solution for the above problem. That is the sixth problem. So today in this class we solved, that is, complete fifth and the sixth problem. In the next class we will continue the seventh problem. If you have any doubts, comment me. Subscribe my channel, like all the videos, share the videos. Thank you.